For deep cleaning office baseboards, choose tools and products that remove dust, scuffs, and buildup without damaging paint or finishes. Begin with a dry microfiber dusting to remove loose particles, using a flat mop or a long-handled microfiber brush to reach continuous runs without kneeling. Follow with a gentle, all-purpose cleaner diluted per label instructions applied to a microfiber mop head that has a rough textured end for scrubbing scuffs. Work in short sections from one end of the room to the other so you do not recontaminate cleaned areas. For stubborn scuff marks, use a non-abrasive rubber eraser or a melamine foam sponge dampened slightly and tested first in an inconspicuous spot to ensure paint compatibility. When dealing with greasy or sticky residues, apply a small amount of a pH-neutral degreasing cleaner on a soft rag and scrub along the baseboard profile, then wipe with a clean damp rag to remove residue and dry with a microfiber cloth to prevent streaks. Pay attention to corners and transition points to capture trapped dirt using a small detail brush or an old toothbrush. Then vacuum along the baseboard with a soft brush vacuum attachment before any wet cleaning to pick up loosened debris. Replace or launder mop heads and rags frequently during the job to avoid smearing dirt, and if you maintain a regular schedule for baseboard cleaning, you can switch to milder products and shorten clean times. The most common issue is using abrasive pads that strip paint or finish, so always test a small area and prefer non-abrasive tools like soft microfiber and melamine foam for light scuffs. Another frequent problem is leaving cleaning solution residue that attracts more dirt, so wipe with a clean damp rag after cleaning and dry the surface immediately. A third common mistake is inadequate removal of dust before wet cleaning, which causes streaks and recontamination. Prevent this by vacuuming or dry dusting first and changing cloths often during the task. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by listing professionals who work on maintenance and cleaning projects and by letting homeowners share experiences so others can make informed choices. We also help contractors showcase services and connect with potential clients, and our site includes an active discussion community where users trade tips on cleaning methods and product recommendations.